made a little bit research about the new artificial intelligence center that CyberArk actually founded in Israel. Can you tell us a bit more about where does it stand now and what it's exactly going to be, let's say, in the next few years?
Yeah. We decided that in such a turning point in the industry, we have to make it something where we put our money where our mouth is. Like we dedicate engineers and efforts and created this AI center of excellence. It's doing, I would say, three things. One actually that I didn't mention, that's the easy one, is actually how do we make our employees more efficient? Like introducing tools, not just for our developers, but even the way our office workers and marketing and others are using AI to shortcut tasks. A lot of it is leveraging tools that are given by Microsoft, by Salesforce. Salesforce has the AI the capabilities. Microsoft has Copilot. How do we introduce things that make our team more efficient, increases productivity? That's something that basically every enterprise should do, and we're doing that, holding ourselves accountable to do that. The other two elements are introducing AI elements in looking where are there opportunities to introduce AI elements in our solutions, whether it's like my prior example of expediting how a solution is run, or AI being the solution itself. For example, detecting anomalies instead of having a very structured way to look for things that could be wrong with that user access in the wrong time zone from the wrong country. Actually have machine learning and AI being the ones investigating anomalies and detecting that in a split second. So looking for opportunities to introduce AI into our solutions, both for existing solutions and new offerings. And the third one is researching what are the attackers doing with AI, like I mentioned. I think that's one dimension that at CyberArk we keep very dear, is to always think about and look at like real-time research and at what's happening in this world, and then introduce solutions either in our solutions. Sometimes it's a do-good for the society. It's publishing things. We were actually one of the first to show that you can. CyberArk was actually the first to show that you can mislead ChatGPT to create malicious code. ChatGPT is supposed to have like guardrails to say, you're not going to lead me to write a virus for you. And our researchers were able to kind of get to the good side of ChatGPT, give ChatGPT an example of code and say, can you give me another one like that? And basically trick it to write malicious code. And of course, we're doing it for good reasons. We then publicize it. Then OpenAI can make changes to how they secure their environment so that that it can't be tricked into writing malware. So researching misuses of AI in order to help